Ublalota, Kanoik Pizzy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. This is a reminder that today, Wednesday, December 6th, is quarter two midterm. This means we are halfway through quarter two. It also means that there is an eligibility check this week that will impact anyone playing high school basketball through the rest of this quarter. There will not be another eligibility check until the end of quarter two in mid-January. So continue to work hard on your schoolwork and coming to school every day. Everyone here at Perfect Mission believes in you and wants to see every student succeed. So, we have been learning how our bodies physically respond to dangers and threats. And what we've focused on so far is the amygdala and the 4 F's known as fight, flight, freeze, and flop. Today, we're going to learn about another part of the body that helps us respond to dangers and threats. And this part of the body is known as the vagus nerve. Did you know the vagus nerve is one of the largest nerve centers in the body? It carries signals to your organs and even regulates the nervous system. As you can see in the drawing to the left, some of the signals the vagus nerve sends help with taste, mood, speech, breathing, heart rate and blood pressure, skin and muscle sensation, digestion, and even urine output. So, when we enter those fight, flight, freeze, or flop responses, our vagus nerve is regulating our breathing and heart rate, our digestive system, and even relaxing and constricting certain muscles. According to some, such as Dr. Stephen Porges, it is even possible to stimulate the vagus nerve and allow us to manage our flight, fight, freeze, and flop responses. When our bodies trigger that fight, flight, freeze, or flop response, the vagus nerve also provides us a secret weapon. This secret weapon is known as the vagal tone and happens when our vagus nerve triggers a relaxation response in our bodies. There are different ways we can stimulate our vagus nerve and help ourselves move out of a stressed and anxious state. Here are some of the ways. The first way is through breathing techniques. A few weeks ago, Ginger went over some of the breathing techniques that could help us relax our bodies. Remember, when we breathe deep and slow from our stomachs, we stimulate the vagus nerve. So, take the time and try practicing now. Try breathing out longer than you breathe in, and this helps activate parts of our nervous system or that correlate to our relaxation response. So try breathing in and breathing out. Breathe in and breathe out. Another way to relax our vagus nerve is to sing it out. So the vagus nerve runs up our necks. So when we engage our vocal cords, we give it a gentle nudge. If you're not a singer, you can try humming or even gargling water instead. Another strategy is to massage parts of our body to help with rest and relaxation, such as our feet, or even better, you can gently massage your neck, shoulders, and right behind your ears for even more direct contact with the vagus nerve. Have you ever exercised and afterwards you felt good? So when you exercise, it turns out that it's also stimulating the vagus nerve. The big trick here, though, is find something that you enjoy doing so that it feels fun and not a chore. Try experimenting with different exercises and see what feels good for you. You could dance around the room to your favorite song, run up and down the street in a safe way, go play out on the gym outside. There's a number of things you could do to help exercise and relax your body that way. The last one I'm going to talk about is laughter. As well as stimulating the vagus nerve, laughter helps lower your blood pressure and it improves your mood. So embrace your silly side. Find joy in the little things and laugh with loved ones to experience the brilliant benefits of all this. So take the time to practice these relaxing techniques, and tomorrow we'll dive even deeper into how our body physically responds to dangers and threats. I wish everyone a wonderful Wednesday. Good luck and try hard on your MAPS test. And I leave everyone again with the song of the week.
Điều nga te malingang ma, điều nga te malingang ma, wanga puik sa Kristo rokwang nun, điều nga te malingang